Hi, this is Babcia. You are on the channel Legacy's Little Luxuries Arts and Crafts YouTube. Today's DIY is very simple. I've seen these online on Amazon. They're called solar deck lights. There's a pack of 16. And what I want to do now is add this to the catio. Okay, so here's the box it come in. And let's open it up together. Oh, cute. A little thank you card. And cute little bronze color. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and little stickers. Oh, and screws too, but oh my, they're going to go on my deck. I need bigger screws than this. These will not suffice. Alrighty, and then we have a row here. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we do have 16. Okay, what I have to do yet is find some longer screws. And I'm going to have to go to the hardware store. Meanwhile, I'm going to take these out, place them in the full sunshine, and try to activate them before tonight. Tonight is when I will assemble them on the deck. Thanks for watching, and let's continue with this. Okay, I went to Ace Hardware, just right up the road from me. These were 19 cents a piece. I already forgot the size. I think they're 3/4 by an inch. And I think this will suffice and go through all these lights. So I'm going to allow the lights to charge, and I will assemble all my lights on my deck this evening. This is July 11th, 2020. And all these screws cost $6.13, but I did get a couple extra. Alright, I allowed them to sit out in the driveway for a little while. I pulled pull tabs, went in the shade, and each and every one of them have lit up. So I will assemble them a little bit earlier. Right now I'm just trying to place them somewhere on my deck. And then I think I need some scissors, because if I do both sides of the stairs, I have a bush here that I need to trim so that sun can hit this level and that level before I add the screws. So I'm going to go get the scissors and trim this bush down a little bit, and then start screwing in these cute little deck lights that are solar. 16 in a pack. Oh yeah, and I think I paid $34.99 for them. And then $6 for the screws, because these little screws that come with this box will not go through carpeting and into the deck, so I have to get longer ones. Alrighty, let's go get my drill. Okay, a lot of people will place these lights right down the center if there isn't carpeting, okay? But there's carpeting on this, so I don't want people to trip on them when they're walking, climbing the stairs. So they're going right on the edge. Alright, now right here I want to show you, they will crack if you push too much pressure on the screw. So make sure you don't, when you buy these, you don't add a lot of pressure. Alright, now we're going to go on this side. July 11th. 2020. Now I'm placing a couple extra on this side of the deck than I am on the other side of the deck, because the deck on that side is just a straight line. Here it curves. And these screws were perfect choice. Go right in and secure the light. There I go. I trimmed away the bush so the sun can hit it. 2 more to go. Alrighty. Now I could place one way back there, but as you can see, there's this beautiful bush growing. It won't hit very much sunlight, so it won't even remain lit all night long. So why waste it? I just placed it on the other side of the deck because it is longer. So I have one right here, which is above my little hose hanger, and then one right there. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then we have 12, 13, 14, 15, and then yes, we have a little light here right by the catio. Let's wait till tonight and see how it looks. Hey, I thought I would measure these so that it'd give you an idea. They are 3 inches wide and about 1.5 inches tall. Just so you know, these are not very big, but I thought that I would add that bit of information for you. So 3, 5, 1.5. Still waiting for it to get dark out. Both kitties came outside. It's getting cooler outside now that the sun's setting. You're coming out to enjoy. Look at you, you're already getting ready to crash out. Hi, CK. Can you say hi to the subscribers? CK is my flame point Siamese, and she has crossed eyes, so she's very limited in her eyesight. She's so talkative most of the time, but she's really quiet right now. Hey, CK? Hey, CK? You may purchase these lights in a soft yellow color or the white color. These ones are white, glowing, and then they also sell rainbow colored deck lights, you know, in green and yellow and blue, but I decided on the white, soft white lights, because I have enough colored in the yard as it is. I just want something just to light up the area. I don't want it to be decorated like the Christmas style. Oh yeah, check that out online if you're searching for something like this. Look for the color changing ones.